For those of you who love chess and Excel, here is a treat for you, a chess-themed Excel Office Scripts demo. So, a quick introduction for those of you who are new to Office Scripts. Excel Office Scripts is a new macro language for Excel Online. Excel VBA does not work online. Office Scripts was utilised to fill that gap. Office Scripts is a language based on TypeScript, but with slight variations because it operates with an Excel object model. At the time of producing this video, Office Scripts does run on Excel for desktop for Windows, but only in run mode and not edit mode. In this demo, I show how Office Scripts can be used to move images around the Excel grid and how it can be used to solve a problem like the Knight's Tour. The second video explains the code behind the demo. So, what is a Knight's Tour? As per the associated Wikipedia page here, a Knight's Tour is a sequence of moves of a knight on a chessboard such that the knight visits every square exactly once. The Knight's Tour problem is a mathematical problem of describing and finding a Knight's Tour. In the code, I use Office Scripts to attempt to find a Knight's Tour. Because Office Scripts is integrated with Excel, it is particularly well placed for solving mathematical problems. The first demo here shows how a knight is moved to a location of your choosing. I enter a location in cell L1 and click the Set Knight Start Position button. The second demo shows the knight traversing one random walk. The code uses the random function to choose the direction for the knight. After each move, a number is entered into the square to keep track of the movement of the knight. In cell K4, a message appears stating if a Knight's Tour was found or not. For the third demo, all we are going to do is repeat the second demo, that is, repeatedly going on random walks until it finds a Knight's Tour. We open the workbook in Windows Desktop in order to facilitate faster running of the code. If the autosave option is switched off in Excel, the code runs, on my machine at least, around 50 times faster. At this time, Microsoft does not provide the ability to switch autosave off for the browser version of Excel. There is presumably some sort of irrefutable logic behind that decision, but it is so complex as to be beyond my reckoning. In cell L3, the total number of steps completed on that tour is entered by the code. The steps completed are also entered into cell K7, and here I stop the code. You could connect the script to a Power Automate flow and an email action to notify that a tour is found, but I find that the flow returns a timeout error after 40 minutes or so of the Excel script action running. If you leave the script running in an open browser window, I also find that it stops running because Edge has an auto-sleep function for open browser pages. Part 2 of this video shows the code description. Check out my business website too.